Hello guys, welcome my another video. Today I will share employee salary calculator app that is very interesting things. You can self calculate any kinds of information just self a nanosecond. Now how I will share. First things, for making this calculator, all kinds of source code you can download 100% free from my website. Okay, website links, just see my video description. And how you will make this calculator app must be you have to follow my video, otherwise maybe you will see some problem. Okay, just don't skip my video, self follow me. And that is the employee name. You can type any kinds of name in here. Now I'm typing Imran. That's it. Employee ID 01. Then you see that employee grade. Okay, if you click here, then see grade 2000, 100, 500, 1500, 1000. Okay, no problem. Now I'm select 1500. Also you can edit and you can change or you can add any kinds of salary range, no problem. How I will share after few times. That's it. Then Sunday, how many times Imran is working here, like 8 hour, minute, no. Okay, next day 7 hour 30 minutes, then Tuesday only 6 hour, then next day only 6 hour, then 45 minutes, then Thursday only 8 hour. Okay, don't worry, self like. Then see show as, self click here, then you see that your calculation, your salary already typing here. And if you change your employee grade, self press here and press 1000, then see already weekly salary range is already changed. Also you can change your salary grade, also your salary range already changed. Guys, that is very interesting things. Already I told you for making this table or making this calculator, all kinds of source code you can download 100% free from my website. When you click this link, then you will see that's interface. Scroll down, then must be you have to follow all kinds of things from here. How you will install or how you will open this calculator app, already all kinds of instruction is here, must be you have to follow. Okay, just scroll down, then see get source code and get others file, must be you have to download from here both. Okay, when you click or when you download both file, then you see that this 2 zip file, first things others file, then source code. Okay, all kinds of codes or all kinds of file extract here. Then see there's interface. Guys, there are a lot of coding or a lot of information in here, and must be you have to open your Microsoft Visual Code. Okay, now how must be you have to install this Microsoft Visual Studio. If you have don't idea about how to install, self go YouTube and then type how to install Microsoft Visual Studio. You can see there are a lot of tutorial about this from tutorial. Must be you have to install this Visual Studio. And this see left side of open project or solution, must be click here, and you see what is my table, that's one. Okay, you see that there's employee OS calculator, that's one, set open. Okay, that's interface already open, and in the meantime you see that your site is processing. In the meantime, must be you have to click start here. Okay, when you click start, then see this login interface. Now username and password, you see your self website, you see that username admin and password is admin. Okay, must be you have to copy from here, then press admin, then press password admin. Okay, done, then press login. Guys, that's one, your site or your calculator is already open in here. And now I am telling about employee grade, how to edit or how to add. Okay guys, so you see that there are a lot of information. Self go your ways.cs must be, you have to open in here. Now I'm open. Okay, that's a interface. There are a lot of information in here. No cut, copy, paste. Self go down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. After few times you see that the 2000 salary 2000 you see, and the 1500, 1 2 3 4 items in here, because our calculator have 4 items. Okay, the 2000, the 1500, the 1500. You see that set 4 item. If you like to edit from here, no problem, you can edit. Also you can add from here, no problem. So guys, I think it's very easy and simple. So if you have any question about this calculator, don't hesitate to comment in my comment box. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And also I have a request to you, please subscribe my channel and don't forget share with your friends. Guys, no more talk. Thank you very much.